Hey guys, welcome back. I just received some magic mail. I just cut the tape, but I'm going to do an unboxing with you all. Comes with some absolutely adorable tissue paper. So I got some ears from Le Petit mouse. Let me share the card with you. And I'll share the back as well. I got the Buzz Lightyear ears from Le Petit mouse. It comes with a purple holographic bow, which has some different purple, blues, and kind of red shifts to it. It has some really cool looking jewels here. This part right here is a holographic, and I hope that is able to catch it on screen. And some really cool green fabric that shifts as well. I got these for my upcoming trip to Walt Disney World in August, and more specifically to Toy Story Land, which I am really excited about. I got this to match my Irregular Choice Buzz Lightyear Falling with Style purse, which I will link to that video in the description box. I will also leave the information to this store there. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and leave some comments if you have any questions whatsoever. And I hope you have a magical day. Bye!